My name is Mary Heine, and I am here to present to you my 3-minute thesis on my critical reflection paper for the Environmental Policy and Management program at American Military University. I have completed a variety of coursework that focuses on fish and wildlife management and accumulates with my current course, the capstone portfolio. The critical reflection paper is a unique chance to showcase my professional and personal achievements and goals, as well as detailing the courses that I have taken for the successful completion of my degree. This has been showcased through pertinent sections such as philosophy of learning, achievements in learning, evidence of learning, assessment of learning, and relevance of learning. The Environmental Policy and Management program with American Military University is fully online. It teaches students like myself how to use environmental tools and strategies involving environmental topics. Any subject regarding environmental issues will contain inherent problems and controversies that we must overcome. My first course was Environmental Management, where I created a waste management plan for the city of Anadarko using adaptive management concepts. This plan would build a waste management center in Anadarko, creating jobs while reducing the waste of the city. Next, I took Environmental Economics, where I learned the concept of willingness to pay in regards to environmental decisions. I took Environmental Policy, Regulation, and Law, where I analyzed and recommended changes to the Endangered Species Act. Due to my concentration of fish and wildlife management, my next 2 courses focused on those specific topics, allowing me to analyze and review management plans concerning fish and wildlife. I continued strong with the program by completing Restoration Ecology and Conservation Biology. I was successful in completing a restoration plan for the tidal flats of Padre Island National Seashore. My favorite course was Environmental Ethics, where I compared theoretical worldviews on the issue of human overpopulation. Additionally, my fellow students and I argued our own opinions while maintaining a respectful voice. My last 3 courses were Global Environmental Change, Environmental Toxicology, and Risk Management for Leaders. My original reasoning for completing this master's degree was the intention of making the rank of Command Sergeant Major in the United States Army. However, due to the recent birth of my daughter and the completion of this program, I am confident in leaving the military. If I had not committed to this program, I would not be as confident in leaving the military as I do now. I am thankful for what I have learned through and during this process. My goals that are identified within the paper are to obtain a position as a biological science technician or wilderness park ranger with the National Park Service. As a mother-enrolled tribal member, veteran, and reservist, I want to add wildlife to my life story.